Fetch.ai just got a pretty big upgrade, and we need to discuss that in today's video. Hey guys, Foxy is Trading here, back with another crypto video for you guys, and today we are talking about Fetch.ai. Now the plan for today's video is talk about the upgrade, let you guys know what it's about, break it down, then look at market structure, and then we'll call it a day for the video. So this is the upgrade. Integration complete. My Neutron AI now supports context generation from ASI 1 by Fetch.ai. So let's break this down step by step, what it is, why it's important, and all of that good stuff. So ASI 1 isn't just another AI plugin. It gives Neutron artificial social intelligence, meaning AI now communicates with other people kind of just like we do with each other. And I know that sounds scary to some, and this is not AI taking over. I really hope not, but it is a pretty big step in AI and what they are trying to do. So they basically share context between each other. They coordinate, they plan, they execute tasks. So it is a leap from single agent AI to now multi-agent collaboration. So let's paint the picture for you guys. Let's say you're planning a trip with your friends, okay? And everyone has their own task to do. So instead of sending a message to all of your friends manually, step by step, and planning everything out, your AI now talks to your friends' AIs. So you have a friend AI agent that's for the travel. You have one that's for the budget. You have one that, let's say, is for the schedule. And instead of you messaging every single person, your AI agent will reach out to the other AI agent that has their own tasks. They plan everything together, and then they set it all up, and then you analyze it at the very end. So they are literally negotiating AI to AI. So tasks are going to become very less automatic, or very less manual, I should say, and more automatic. And yes, it is a good thing, and it is also a bad thing. It's a bad thing when you look at it from a social perspective and a human perspective, but that's a whole other rant and discussion that is not crypto related. So just crypto related and using it for Fetch.ai, it is a good thing, despite how you may think of it outside of the crypto world, because I kind of just want to stick to the crypto world. Okay, so that is the upgrade. We're going to look at market structure because there really isn't anything else too crazy with Fetch.ai. There were some small things, but I didn't think it was very video worthy. So we are up in price still. We did have a nice little boost last week. We are down market cap, down in volume, 85% bullish, and pretty much on all the big exchanges. Now, looking at market structure, let's do a quick little recap, shall we? I said I wanted price to sweep this liquidity. There was 3 liquidities, but I said I wanted it to sweep the first one because I thought it was the strongest one. What did we do? We swept that perfectly. And if we break it down on the daily, boom, we shot up, right? We shot up 130% from the sweep. And it was looking fantastic. We engulfed all of these highs, made a new high, but then that was it, right? You can see with the wick, how big the wick is. There was a little bit of exhaustion in the bull purchases, right? So now what are we seeing? Well, unfortunately, we formed a higher high, but now we formed a higher low. So I wouldn't be surprised if we trend down like we are doing. The good thing is, I think price sweeps this area, holds this imbalance in price, maybe goes down just a little bit more before it starts pushing up. Once it closes above and we retest this area up, we're going to start heading into an up direction. Okay, so that is the game plan. We do have the sweep already. Now we just have to wait for a bullish confirmation. Now, the other very interesting thing that I will be mentioning in all of my videos is that Bitcoin has swept what I have been calling for very long, which is the 98,000 price range. And now I think there's a possibility that we start getting some green weeks, if that's what the market makers want to give us, right? So even myself on the 1 hourly, I have this marked up ready to buy a Bitcoin if we close above for a bullish uptrend, okay? So I think that makes sense. Now that aligns with our view on Fetch, because since we already had the sweep and now we had a sweep of this liquidity, we can also start looking for reversal patterns to the upside. Now, when is that going to happen? We don't know. We have to wait and be patient. I see two areas right away that interest me. Now, I'm not sure how this is going to close, and I'm also not sure how this is going to look tomorrow, because I'm making this video on Thursday afternoon, because I have a doctor's appointment tomorrow morning because I'm a little bit sick. I don't know if you guys can hear it in my voice, but right away, if it closes like this, right, if this 4-hour candle closes like this, we have this imbalance in price right here. And you can see all throughout here, we don't really have much. Yes, we have this small one, but let's say we close above here. Okay, first step done. We retest and then we push higher, making a higher high from this area. Then the test will be, can we close above all of these wicks right over here? And if that happens, we're going to start being in a bullish trend. And I think the market is going to shift green. Now, I'm not saying that more further downside potential isn't possible. It definitely is. But I really would not want to see us go down and sweep this zone once again, because it's just going to be another couple of days, maybe a week before we go back up. I want to start seeing some reversals now. Now is the time. The alignments are here. Bitcoin has swept. Let's get that reversal pattern, okay? What else should we look at? Let's look at the RSI, how that is looking, because everybody likes the RSI. So we were oversold, right? And we have started to make our way out of that oversold area. Now we are not there yet. We have literally just broken out of the 20 zone. You can see that right over there, right? Barely, barely, barely. And now we are coming back down a little bit. So I still think this is a great buying opportunity. And Fetch is just a good buying opportunity in general. As we know, AI is here for the future, whether you like it, whether you don't like it. AI has taken over, right? And I don't think it's going anywhere. And there's a few AI projects that are strong, but I really like Fetch and I really like Tau, okay? Chain Opera is behind them. I think Tau and I think Fetch are very strong AI projects. So the buying opportunity is still here. Let's just say we go back to the May highs. Let's see what your return on investment would be from there. 250%. That is pretty good. I don't think anybody will be complaining about 250%, right? So let's start seeing some more candles like this to the upside, because that's what we all want. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like, leave a comment, hit that subscribe button. It really means a lot to me. Make sure you guys do your own research, because I am not a financial advisor, and I'll see everybody in the next video.